Hi there. In this video I'm just going to show you how a public sector organization will invite you as a supplier or delivery partner to Cenefits. So if you're already working with an organization, Cenefits, you'll already have your organization there, and essentially the organization can just come and they can type in to search for your name here, and they can click on the organization, see who's inside it, make sure it's the right one, and then they can just tick the box or boxes next to the ones they want to invite, click add organization, and then you or the person that's an admin in your organization will get an email with a unique link to click to accept that invitation, and then you'll be available to be selected as a supplier or delivery partner in benefits within that organization. If you don't already have an organization in Cenefits, you're not already using it with an existing public organization, then they would invite you afresh. So they'd probably speak to you, maybe have a meeting, talk to you about what the application is and what they're expecting from you. They'd fill in your organization name as you want it to be displayed, fill in the name of the person who's going to be the initial administrator, as well as their email address and their phone number, and then click to invite you. And again, you'd get an email with a unique link to click to create your profile in your organization, and then you'd be available to be selected in contracts and benefits within that organization. One thing to point out with organizations, so I guess if you're an SME or a small organization, you're probably only going to want to have one organization in the whole of Cenefits to work with any organization in the UK. Whereas if you're a larger organization, maybe you have different business units in different parts of the country, maybe different regions or what have you, then you're probably likely to want to have an organization for each of those business units, because in a larger organization you might not necessarily know what the contracts and personnel are in a different part of the country. So I'd recommend having an organization per unit, and giving it an appropriate name so people know what to invite when they're inviting you. I'll show you in a future video. Once you've been assigned as an organization to a contract or benefit, you as an administrator or a colleague who's also an administrator can assign benefits within that contract to your members of staff, to your colleagues. So there's a way that you can do that. I'm going to show you that in a future video. Thank you very much.